Anxiety and stress are common experiences that can negatively impact our lives. However, the law of attraction can be a powerful tool to help us overcome these challenges and create a more positive and fulfilling life. By understanding the principles of the law of attraction and implementing some simple techniques, you can learn how to use this law to overcome anxiety and stress. Understanding the law of attraction. The law of attraction is based on the principle that like attracts like. It means that the thoughts, beliefs, and emotions that we focus on will attract corresponding experiences into our lives. Therefore, if you focus on positive thoughts and emotions, you will attract positive experiences, and if you focus on negative thoughts and emotions, you will attract negative experiences. Overcoming anxiety and stress with the law of attraction. To overcome anxiety and stress using the law of attraction, we need to focus on attracting positive thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Here are some techniques that can help you use the law of attraction to overcome anxiety and stress. Identify and change negative thoughts and beliefs. The first step to overcoming anxiety and stress is to identify and change negative thoughts and beliefs that are holding you back. Start by paying attention to your thoughts and identifying negative self-talk. Challenge these negative thoughts and beliefs and replace them with positive affirmations. For example, if you find yourself thinking, "I'm not good enough," replace this thought with the affirmation, "I am worthy and capable." By doing this, you will begin to attract positive experiences and start to build your confidence. Visualize a positive outcome. Visualizing a positive outcome is a powerful tool that can help you overcome anxiety and stress. When you visualize a positive outcome, you create a mental image of what you want to achieve and attract it into your life. To visualize a positive outcome, start by creating a mental picture of what you want to achieve. Imagine yourself in a calm and relaxed state, and visualize the positive outcome that you desire. This could be a successful meeting or presentation, a relaxing vacation, or a peaceful home environment. Focus on positive emotions. Another technique for using the law of attraction to overcome anxiety and stress is to focus on positive emotions. When you focus on positive emotions like joy, love, and gratitude, you attract positive experiences and emotions into your life. To focus on positive emotions, start by making a list of things that bring you joy or make you feel grateful. This could be spending time with loved ones, enjoying nature, or practicing a hobby that you love. By focusing on these positive emotions, you will start to attract more positive experiences into your life. Practice gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful emotion that can help you overcome anxiety and stress. When you practice gratitude, you focus on the good things in your life and attract more positive experiences. To practice gratitude, start by making a list of things that you are grateful for. This could be anything from a supportive friend to a beautiful sunset. Take time each day to reflect on these things and express your gratitude for them. By doing this, you will start to shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life and attract more positivity. Let go of resistance. Resistance is a negative emotion that can hold you back from attracting positive experiences into your life. When you let go of resistance, you open yourself up to positive experiences and emotions. To let go of resistance, practice mindfulness and meditation. Focus on the present moment and let go of negative thoughts and emotions as they arise. Replace these negative thoughts and emotions with positive affirmations and beliefs. The law of attraction is a powerful tool that can help you overcome anxiety and stress. By focusing on positive thoughts, emotions, and experiences, you can attract more positivity into your life and overcome anxiety and stress with the law of attraction. Anxiety and stress can be incredibly debilitating, and they can have a profound impact on your quality of life. But with the right mindset and tools, it is possible to overcome these negative emotions and create a more positive and fulfilling life.